hit the subscribe button so I can start streaming. And then we can do like fan coaches and stuff.
Do with this. Follow me.
It's so laggy.
Get up here.
You understand how laggy it is? Like I can barely hit. Yeah, I can barely hit.
Yeah, good job. Now get a balloon.
It's super laggy. No! I don't know if I can wall run, but yeah, I can.
Help me. The goal is to get it to 100. I've done like 60, I think. 61. Okay.
You should have done this when there was snow
Help
on
me,
the ground.
though. Y'all look pretty good. Please, actually, help me, though.
Oh, meeting. We can start doing like fan coats.
No, God, that's what the... Follow me. Follow me over here.
Cause you can like 1v1 and you guys will get action.
Can you hear me?
I'm gonna restart him. I'm gonna restart my game, guys.
No way.
I'm just gonna wait for a little bit. Okay. Have your up in the volcano, please. I'm gonna block it. When you're up in the volcano. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Let me delete this, whatever it's called. Delete the, volcano. Cause it's like really annoying. Like you could have just done a normal Valentine's update. But they had the doors dirty and not the volcano.